Hey guys, you welcome back to my channel. Soyez les bienvenus. So this is Learn French with Queen. So I say big welcome. This is the first time you stumbling on my video. I say a big welcome. To to take a seat, chill back, and enjoy today's video. And if you are wondering at what's up on this platform, so this is a trusted space for everything French. So to check out my previous video, give them thumbs up if you like them, share to loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video, we'll be looking at our house, and we'll be looking at this part of the house which is called la cuisine. In English language, it is called the kitchen. We're looking at la cuisine. So previously, we've been looking at la maison, and I told her that there are different parts of the house. We have the kitchen, the sitting room, the room, and our bedroom. But in today's video, we'll be looking at la cuisine. So we want to familiarize ourselves with our house, and this time around we're looking at the kitchen. We want to look at those things inside the kitchen. What are they called? Those equipments we can find around us in our kitchen. What are they called in French language? So this is how we keep learning, we keep having fun, and we keep growing in our daily communication, even in French language. So let's start for today's video. The very first one we have for today's video, we have la marmite. La marmite is referred to as pot. In English language, we have la casserole, which is referred to as the saucepan. We have une assiette, which is referred to as plate. We have a plate. We have le couteau. In English language, it is referred to as knife. We have another one which is la fourchette, which is referred to as fork in English language. We have la cuillère, which is referred to as spoon in English language. We have le couvercle, which is referred to as cutlery. So we have la cuillère à soupe, which is referred to as a tablespoon, and we have la cuillère à café, which is referred to as a teaspoon. So let's note, we have our cuillère, which is referred to as a spoon. We have our la cuillère à soupe, which is referred to as a tablespoon, and now we have our cuillère à café, which is referred to as a teaspoon, and we have le couvercle, which is referred to as a cutlery. We have la poêle, which is referred to as a frying pan in English language. We have le cure-dent, which is referred to as a toothpick in English language. We have la bouilloire, which is referred to as kettle in English language. Donc, on utilise la bouilloire pour chauffer de l'eau. The next one, we have des baguettes, which is referred to as our chopstick. We have la cafetière, which is referred to as a coffee maker. We have un bol, which is referred to as a bowl in English language. We have la planche à découper, which is referred to as a cutting board in English language. We have un évier, which is referred to as a sink, where we do our vaisselle. Okay, we do our washings. Okay, so we have une éponge, which is referred to as our sponge that we use to clean up our dishes. Okay, une éponge. We have un torchon, which is referred to as our towel. So we clean up our ends after our washings with our towel. Le torchon, ou bien un torchon. So we have le tablet, which is referred to as our apron. You make do of the apron while doing the cooking. Okay. We have le savon as well. We make do of our savon to clean up our dishes as well. Le savon. We have another one which is referred to as la serpillière. La serpillière is referred to as mop, which is used to mop, that is to clean up when either something liquid spills on the floor, or most times something liquid. When something liquid spills on the floor, you use your mop to clean up, and it's referred to as la serpillière in French language. We have another one which is quite important, so we call that la poubelle. La poubelle is referred to as our trash bin or our waste bin, which we use to trash so many things that are no longer useful in the kitchen. The next one, we have le frigo, which is referred to as our fridge in English language. We have le réfrigérateur, le réfrigérateur, which is referred to as our refrigerator, or you can say le frigo. We have another one which is called le congélateur. Le congélateur is referred to as the freezer, while le frigo is the fridge. You get it? So we have le lave-vaisselle. Le lave-vaisselle, which is our dishwasher. We have le mixeur, which is blender in English language. We have le grille-pain, which is our toaster. Donc, on utilise le grille-pain pour griller le pain. Okay? We have la grappe, which is our grater for grating. Okay? We have la tasse, which is referred to as cup. And we have another which is referred to as le verre. This one referred to as the glass cup. And we have le verre à vin as well. That is your wine cup. No, those ones that look so transparent. So le verre, and we have la tasse. Okay, so we have another one which is called la gruche. This is what is referred to as jug in English language. So we can have that in our kitchen as well. Another one we have here, we have le four, which is referred to as our oven. Okay, so we want things in our oven, so the oven is referred to as le four in French language. And the very last one for today's video, we have le micro-ondes, which is referred to as a microwave. A microwave is referred to as le micro-ondes in French language. I hope now we can familiarize ourselves with our kitchen equipment and the names they are called in French language. So this is how we keep communication moving. This is how we keep learning in French language. We look at things around us, we learn from the things we can see first. After that, we can look out for those things we do not see regularly, but we need to still learn them. So I hope you find this video useful, educative, and informative. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, do it to share to loved one, and don't forget to click on that subscription button. Do subscribe. Okay, let's keep the community growing and getting bigger. See you in my next video. A plus.